Okay, so for our next question, which is number 7, we're asked to verify this identity. So we'll start with the left-hand side equaling cosecant x plus cotangent x. So one thing you have to realize is you can't do the same thing to both sides in solving this. So you just start with one side and manipulate it until it becomes the same as the other side. So we have two trig functions here that are added together, and you're meant to look at them and realize that you could write the reciprocals of those, so then you can add the fractions. So cosecant x is 1 over sine x, plus cotangent x is cosine x over sine x. And now we can add them, and we get 1 plus cosine x over sine x. And then the thing to notice here is we have a 1 plus cosine x divided by sine x, and we're going to multiply it by 1 minus cosine x over 1 minus cosine x. Again, we're multiplying by 1 in the form of 1 minus cosine x over 1 minus cosine x. But the clue to do that is this 1 plus cosine x. So keep in mind there's just a couple of things that you look at for clues. It's not like we have an infinite number of ways to answer these. You'll see patterns as you start to answer them. And then 1 plus cosine x times 1 minus cosine x. It's the difference of two squares. It's 1 minus cosecant squared x. And that is sine x times 1 minus cosine x. And then 1 minus cosine squared x is sine squared x. Dividing the top and bottom by sine x, we get sine x over 1 minus cosine x, which is the right-hand side. So without manipulating both sides, we have one side be exactly the same as the other. That's verifying the identity. And that's question 7.